I am Atul Morbale, and today is 31 December 2021, and now we have discussed about the tree map in Java. So first we discuss the tree map is a part of a collection framework in Java. So first we discuss the collection and why we need to use collection in Java. So we know the arrays concept. In arrays concept there are two types of drawback. That is, in array we can store only homogeneous data types, and we cannot increase or decrease the size of array. That is, array size is fixed. To release the drawback, Java provide one more way, that is a collection. Collection is a single unit of object. It is based on its architecture. Uh, in, arch- uh, in architecture, that is a collection framework, we perform the so many operations such as searching, sorting, inserting, deleting, manipulating, etc. And there are so many classes such as array list, linked list, etc. So now we discuss the what is framework in Java. So framework is a ready-made architecture provided by JVM. In framework, there stores so many classes and interfaces, and it is optional to use. So now we discuss the hierarchy of collection framework. In collection framework, there are some steps we can perform this. First is iterable interface. Iterable interface is a root interface of all collection framework. In this in this interface, there provide so many classes and interfaces. Now the next is collection framework. Collection framework is a implementation of iterable class. In it collection framework, there are stores all classes of collection interface is a implementation of set, list, and queue. So now we discuss the what is list. List is a implementation of array list, linked list, etc. That is, and set is a implementation of hash set, linked hash set, etc. And queue is the implementation of queue, dequeue, and priority queue. Now we discuss the uh, tree map in Java. So tree map is a like structure that like a tree. It stores the data, and left it stores the nodes which contain data, and left and two variables such as left and right. If we data stores the assigned the user defined number. Now we discuss the structure of a tree. In tree structure, there are left there are result is sorting, that is increasing or decreasing sorting we can get result. In the data in node, there are one value, that is user that is depend on user requirement. In the left side of number, there are small value than the particular number, and in the right side there are greater number. If the if the left side is null, then the left side of tree is destroyed. That is the structure of tree. In tree map, there are so many classes such as add, get, etc. So now we discuss the one by one. The add method is used to uh, adding the elements in tree map, and get method is used to get the particular element from tree map. And to print method is used to define the result on console. So that is all about the tree map in Java. So thank you for this video.